This is absolutely mind-blowing. A secret pattern has been revealed in Shiba Inu, and analysts are saying it could signal a massive breakthrough that may eventually push the price closer to that 1-cent dream. Almost 100 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are on the move, and this isn't slowing down anytime soon. The big question is, what exactly is happening, and why does it matter so much? Let's break it down. Before diving deep into the Shiba Inu developments, I want to mention something I recently came across, a platform called Meme Pro. This project was established in 2025, created by traders from a private forum that focused on meme and fan tokens. According to their website, Meme Pro is a pioneering platform offering profit potential through advanced AI-driven trading bots specifically built for meme coin markets. The goal is to provide users with innovative tools and insights that match the fast pace of today's crypto world. What's interesting is that Meme Pro is registered in the UK and set up as a proprietary trading company. It claims to be user-friendly and even supports multiple languages. On the bottom right corner of the homepage, there's an option to change languages by selecting your country's flag, which shows the team's intention to make the platform accessible to a global audience. Signing up seems straightforward, requiring only basic details. Once inside, two main investment plans are listed. The basic plan offers a 110% return after 24 hours, while the elite plan offers 120% after the same period. There's also a calculator where users can estimate potential profits based on their chosen amount. Deposits appear simple, requiring users to select a payment method, enter the amount, and confirm. Withdrawals require a user to first set their withdrawal address inside account settings. Without doing this, no request will be processed. For example, if someone tries to withdraw $200, once the address is set, the transaction is processed quickly. In a live example, funds reach the wallet in under a minute. The website also showcases what it claims to be live trades from their Meme Pro AI trading bot, giving a sense of real-time transparency. Of course, none of this should be taken as financial advice. Like any other platform, risks exist, and users are always advised to do thorough research before investing. Still, the idea of AI-driven bots focusing specifically on meme coin markets is unique and could play a role in shaping how traders approach this niche. If you're curious about Meme Pro, check the links in the description and explore for yourself. Now, back to the main story. Something big is happening within Shiba Inu, and it's grabbing everyone's attention. According to one analyst, a secret pattern is forming in the charts. It's not obvious to the casual eye, but sharp analysts are noticing that this setup could be a breakthrough moment for the coin. And as exciting as that sounds, there's even more happening on-chain. Nearly 100 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are currently in motion, and that doesn't happen randomly. Large-scale movements like this usually mean the whales are preparing for something significant. If history has taught us anything, when this type of activity starts building up, it often leads to an explosive rally. Looking at the charts, Shiba Inu has been trading sideways recently, holding firm in a tight range. Sure, there's been a small dip, but nothing alarming. In fact, it's been bouncing strongly from its support zone. Analysts point to a critical level just above the current trading price, and if Shiba Inu breaks past that resistance, they are calling it a bullseye breakout. Such a move could open the doors to a powerful surge, possibly even the start of a run toward its next major milestone. With hype around meme coins heating up again in 2025, the timing for this setup couldn't be more perfect. At first glance, the market may look calm, but don't be fooled. This type of quiet consolidation is often the calm before the storm. When combined with secret chart patterns and trillions of tokens shifting hands, these are the exact ingredients that have historically triggered rallies in Shiba Inu. Now, let's talk about the specific chart signals that have analysts buzzing. One of the most exciting developments is the formation of what looks like a golden cross. For those unfamiliar, a golden cross happens when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. Traders see this as one of the most bullish signals in technical analysis. Right now, Shiba Inu's shorter trend line is inching closer to crossing above its longer-term trend line. If this crossover completes, especially on the hourly chart, it will signal to traders worldwide that momentum is shifting strongly in favor of the bulls. Momentum indicators like the RSI have also been climbing closer to bullish territory, adding confidence to this outlook. Over the last few days, Shiba Inu has climbed back from a key support level and is now hovering just beneath a breakout zone. Trading activity has been increasing, suggesting that investors are positioning themselves ahead of a potential move. Of course, it's worth keeping in mind that on the longer daily chart, Shiba Inu is still technically in a broader downtrend. So while the golden cross and current momentum are exciting in the short term, there still needs to be sustained buying pressure to confirm a long-term reversal. Still, golden cross patterns often lead to sharp rallies, even if only temporarily, and they can attract traders quickly. Here's where it gets even more interesting. On-chain data from Into the Block has revealed that nearly 100 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are currently in the money, meaning these tokens were bought at lower prices and are now sitting in profit. At today's market value, that's over $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu back in the green. This is a significant shift because just last week, during a market-wide sell-off, Shiba Inu had fallen below that 100 trillion profitable mark. Sentiment was weak, whales were retreating, and inflows from large holders had dropped. Many feared momentum was cooling down. But now, the fact that Shiba Inu has recovered so strongly and brought back this massive block of profitable tokens suggests that quiet accumulation is happening again. This doesn't happen without reason. Big investors usually accumulate when they believe something major is on the horizon. The combination of whales returning, technical bullish setups forming, and trillions of tokens back in profit is a recipe for a potential rally. This raises the big question: could all of this actually bring Shiba Inu closer to the 1 cent dream? While it's still a long journey, the pieces are starting to align. Charts are flashing bullish signals, whales are waking up, and sentiment across the community is improving. Let's not forget why Shiba Inu is different from many other meme coins. From the very beginning, it grew not because of big investors or flashy marketing, but because of its community. It was grassroots, built by everyday people who rallied together, shared memes, and created a movement that spread across the internet. That organic growth gave Shiba Inu staying power, and it's why the project didn't fade away like so many other tokens. Over time, Shiba Inu has evolved into a full ecosystem. It's no longer just a meme. We now have Shibarium, a working layer 2 blockchain, along with multiple tokens, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and even blockchain-based games. This multi-layer development gives Shiba Inu a foundation of real utility, which is crucial for long-term success. And the development team has shown they care about the community. Official accounts are always warning about scams and fake tokens trying to capitalize on Shiba Inu's popularity. That kind of direct communication and protective attitude is rare in crypto, and it helps strengthen trust within the community. So when skeptics say Shiba Inu will never reach 1 cent, they often overlook these fundamentals. They see only the surface-level meme coin reputation but fail to recognize the passionate community, real development, and ecosystem that continues to expand. Shiba Inu has already surprised the world once by becoming a global phenomenon. Who's to say it won't surprise the market again? With whales stirring, secret patterns forming, nearly 100 trillion tokens in profit, and an ecosystem that's only getting stronger, the possibility of Shiba Inu making big moves is becoming more realistic. Maybe the 1 cent dream is still a ways off, but the road toward it is being paved step by step. So, what do you think about all this? Do you believe Shiba Inu is preparing for a breakout, and could this be the start of the next major rally? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an important update, and share this with as many people as possible. Missing out on crucial Shiba Inu news could mean missing out on potential gains, so stay connected and stay informed. The Shiba Inu journey is far from over, and the best may be yet to come.